just wanna leave, but I can't stand myself. So I get my basket full of masks, trying to fit one out. Which one fits best?
Which one fits best? Which one fits best?
I just wanna leave, yeah, I just wanna leave. I just wanna leave, but I can't stand myself. So I get my basket full of masks, try to pick one out. Which one fits best?
Yeah, mask it up, I just wanna mask it
So
up.
no one can see how I feel.
Yeah, mask it up, I just wanna mask it up.
Just leave me, cause I'm a fake. So I guess I'm a fake, so just leave me be. How much can I take? Sometimes I just wanna leave. I just need a break from my thoughts. I never forget the thoughts that I've actually want. Then my mind slice keeps on coming. My head starts spinning, my hands start sweating, my eyes start crying, masks are smiling. Hi, I'm fine. I live off lies, they hold me tight, yeah, hold me tight. This is how I die, this is how I die. Pull my eyes and break my legs, yeah, my mind, he haunts my bed. I just wanna leave, but I can't stand myself. So I get my basket full of masks, trying to pick one out. Which one fits best?
Which one fits best? Which one fits best?
I just wanna leave, I just wanna leave, I just wanna leave, but I can't stand myself. So I get my basket full of masks, try to pick one out. Which one fits best?
It's beyond that bull, I know the one that fits best. Won't roll me again, no hard on my wrist. Good boy, keep away from the rest. Annoyed, when you push me to the edge. Yeah, I learned my lesson, I mean there's no confession.